Hello, today we will guide you through how to add your credit or debit card to Facebook Ads account. In this walkthrough, we'll add a payment card to your ad account using Meta Business Suite. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct business and that you have the proper permissions, such as admin or finance access. It also helps to have your card and billing address handy so everything goes smoothly. Start by going to Meta Business Suite in your browser. If you manage more than one business, confirm you're in the right one by checking the name or switching from the business selector. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Ads Manager. Depending on your layout, you may need to expand the menu or click All Tools to find it. Inside Ads Manager, go to Billing and Payments. This opens the Billing Hub, where you manage charges, invoices, and your funding sources. Next, head to Payment Methods. If you work with multiple ad accounts, glance at the account selector and make sure you're updating the correct one to avoid adding a card to the wrong place. Choose Add Payment Method. A list of available options appears and can vary by country or region. For this guide, select a debit or credit card. You'll use this when you want Meta to bill your card automatically as your ads accrue costs or when you hit your billing threshold. Click Next to proceed to the Secure form. Now enter your card details carefully. Type the name on the card number, expiration date, and security code. Add the billing address exactly as it appears on your bank statements. Mismatched addresses or typos are common reasons for declines, so take a moment to double-check everything. If this is a business card, use your official company billing address for consistency with your records. When you're ready, click Save. Meta may place a small temporary authorization to verify the card, which typically disappears automatically. In some regions, your bank might prompt you to confirm the transaction for security. After it saves, you'll see your new card listed among your payment methods. If you want it to be used by default, make sure it's selected as the primary method in this same section. You can return here anytime to edit, replace, or remove a card. That's it. You've added a debit or credit card to your Facebook Ads account. From here, you're ready to launch or continue your campaigns with a valid funding source in place. If you ever notice payment issues, revisit payment methods to confirm details, and keep your card up to date to prevent any interruptions in ad delivery. Thanks for following along.